Alright guys, finally got my case for my GoPro and decided to get it out and take it down the back roads. I don't know if it's these 224s, but they sound way better than the 212s, which probably because they're stroked a little bit more how they do it. Everything's flooded over here. So far with the gearing I got, I've been able to do about 46 miles an hour. But for the takeoff and that speed when you're in the woods, that's pretty good for this thing. I've been thinking about taking it out to the trails. There's about a trail about an hour from me that people take all their dirt bikes and stuff like that. I thought about taking this out there. Yeah, I mean, as soon as you get on the throttle on this thing, it just gets right up to that 46. I'm really curious how it's going to do on this big old hill over here. Like nothing. Yeah, that Baja Warrior, I just got the front forks in, and I did some video on it, redoing the fenders and stuff. I haven't painted them yet, but I was showing some stuff I was doing to get them ready, and somehow the footage got lost. I'm not sure how, so I ended up just buying a new SIM card. I've been having issues with the SIM card I was using. So I'm gonna start on that here real quick. I just got the forks in today, and I ended up going with some Go Power Sport forks. You know, out of any mini bike I've rode, I've had a few. This thing is like kind of ridiculous. Let's see how it pulls this hill. Shit. You gotta be joking. Well, I broke a belt. This is perfect. Now the decision, do I walk home or do I call my wife and have her bring me a belt? Alright guys, never mind. I somehow kicked the chain. I have not had any issues with this chain until now, and I see the exhaust. I need to do a better exhaust clamp. I just kind of did that for temporary right now because I just want to ride it, but not sure how. But I may have to do some kind of tensioner maybe on it. That's the first time this has happened. I've rode this thing quite a few times, but alright, I guess that's better than breaking the belt. So I guess let's try this again. Yeah, I'm not sure why I kicked the chain. Doesn't seem like it's skipping or anything or doing anything weird. Oh. Oh, lake looks nice today. A little bit windy. And yeah, I'm wearing Crocs. I know somebody will say something about that. Alright. Let's see if I can kick that chain again. Alright guys, it was kicking the chain, and I found out why. It's my fault. Earlier I unloosened that bolt right there, which is the bolt that holds the rear swing arm, and I forgot to tighten it back up. So every time I would lean into a turn, the whole rear end was, or the whole swing arm was shifting over, and then when it shifted over, it would jump. That's what was bouncing the chain off. So I brought wrenches with me, so I was able just to tighten that up, and now it's fixed and ain't doing that no more. But yeah, all the mini bikes I've built, this is my favorite. This thing, it rides really smooth. The suspension works really well. It's got plenty of power. I'm really surprised on this 224. I think I'm going to stick with these 224s. I may even eventually go ahead and order a stage kit for it and do the billet flywheel and rod and head and everything, and just see what it can really do. But for right now, I'm just gonna leave this the way it is. And then there, like I said, there's a place that's an hour from here that that has an off-road park that has trails and stuff like that, and I thought it'd be funny just to take this thing out there when all the guys are out there in their dirt bikes and stuff. It does 46 miles an hour, and then it does around, like, on that field, even though it's so bumpy, I was still hitting just over 40 miles an hour on it. And so for right now, I'm just gonna leave the gearing where it's at and ride it. The power takeoff to top speed seems to be really good. But yeah, I said I'd do a video on this, taking this thing out. So I'll have a video out soon, like I said, about the SIM card got screwed up, about the Baja Warrior. So I'm gonna be doing a video on that. I got the forks in today and everything, so that'll be coming up soon to get that thing done. Alright, thanks for watching.